Sacrifice. It is a word that we hear very often on a day like today. But sacrifice is not just a word used on Anzac Day. It's a reality, a cost. Today, we remember the 94 Barker students who left these grounds to serve and never returned. And so today, as we gather once again, we do more than remember names. We honour lives. We acknowledge the cost of the freedoms we enjoy. We recognise the depth of love and loyalty that built the foundations of our school community. We remind ourselves that sacrifice demands not only gratitude, but responsibility. It calls us to live lives of purpose, of courage, of service to others. The best way to honour those who sacrificed is not merely to speak their names, but to embody the values that they fought to protect. Sacrifice shaped our past, it shaped our traditions, and it continues to shape who we are today. May we carry it forward with gratitude, respect, and honour.